Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Kingston ValueRAM 16GB kit, 2x8GB, 2133MHz DDR4 non-ECC CL15 SODIMM memory, designed specifically for laptops. Let's see what this memory kit has to offer. First off, it's hard to ignore the appeal of upgrading your laptop's memory, especially when you're getting a brand like Kingston. Known for their reliability and performance in the PC memory industry, this kit promises to deliver a significant boost to your system. With a total capacity of 16GB spread across two 8GB sticks, it's perfect for multitasking, demanding applications, and even some light gaming. The 2133MHz memory speed ensures smooth operation and responsiveness, which is crucial for any laptop user. Installation is a breeze thanks to the 260-pin unbuffered DIMM design, making it compatible with a wide range of laptops. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime warranty and free technical support, providing peace of mind knowing that Kingston stands behind their product. Whether you're a student needing to power through research and assignments, a professional handling multiple tasks simultaneously, or a casual user looking for a snappier computing experience, this Kingston ValueRAM kit is a solid choice. Overall, if you're in the market for a reliable and high-performance memory upgrade for your laptop, you can't go wrong with the Kingston ValueRAM 16GB kit, 2x8GB, DDR4 2133MHz SODIMM memory. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.